G'day, it's TimWanderer, another trip, and we are heading to Jumpinpin. This time, not much fishing on the boat, but we're just going to explore the whole sandbank area, hopefully do some land-based fishing and also sand slide on low tide. Let's see how we go. Three, two, one.
Whee!
Good job, girls.
Job. And boys.
Beaching the boat, it's gonna be fun.
Have to jump off it.
I don't know yet. I do not know yet. I say there. In between.
Wait, Mama, here. Where that cabana is?
Yeah, see there's a gap there? We did it. Alright, we're just gonna get that area in there.
Up to your knees.
Where the girls are. The sand slide. Then come sand slide with me. This is steep.
Was that fun?
Alright, here we go. Ah!
Whoa! You saw, naughty boy. I was like, I don't want to talk to you, I just want your
Wow, that was fun.
And you push it down.
Yep, and then the whole thing pull out.
You pull it all out.
Yeah, there we go.
You put it in. Oh, there's so many crabs.
Oh, good job.
Nice one. Keep doing it.
Good job, good job. Yeah, and then pull. Don't waste your effort.
Technique.
Oh, yep.
Oh my god, that's oh, shit, big one.
Any? Okay. Oh, all right, redone. Show Auntie.
Oh my gosh, did you do that by yourself? Like,
Oh, good job.
wait, don't put the. And turn it.
Yeah. So that is still hopefully moving. Yeah, it did come off. What is going on? How deep?
Just here.
Yep, they're yellow or green. Where did you get this? Toilet paper. Oh, that's tank water. Another day, another adventure. Jumpinpin today. It's a bit windy. We're gonna pick up crab pots on the way back. Definitely bring your yappy pum because quite a lot of yappies around. There were bites, but couldn't be bothered. Just watching the kids having fun for another day is great. Now also, if you're new here, do bring a surfboard. There's a lot of surfing places around or sand sliding. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like, share and subscribe button. It's TimWanderer. I'll see you out in the water. Bye. Quickly. Good job. See, that's how you do it.
There's not even a shell. There's not even a bite on the fish.
And now we're good.